what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, guys, I am going to be unboxing this really nice PR package that I received in the mail from Baseblue. So Baseblue was kind enough to send out this package to me, and as usual, guys, I have not opened it up at all, so we will be doing that together. I always like to give you guys what my first impressions are. So I have not opened it or anything like that. We are gonna jump into this together and let's get started. So let's go ahead and break into this together. I don't have a little blade to open it up. Maybe I should cover the address. Let's take this off. But this is what the box looks like. It's so cute. So I know that Baseblue does have like brushes and like makeup sponges and like stuff like that. So I know that much about Baseblue. And I'm really excited to try out their actual items. I'm not sure what is in here. Like I said, we are gonna open this up together. I just popped up that little seal with that pen. Let's see what they sent out. Oh my God. Okay, ta-da. This is what the presentation kind of looks like. If I tilted over, it would totally fall. So let's just pull out the items little by little. All right, guys, this is so freaking cute. Look at this really cute packaging. I knew that they had makeup sponges, and it is like in the shape of a diamond. It looks like this. How freaking cute is this? So it looks like it's a little pink makeup sponge. We are gonna be trying that out. All right, next we did get this little case here. This is what this looks like. Let's unbag it because I'm like excited. I had no idea what this is. It might be like a mirror or something. Oh my God, this is so freaking cute. I think yep, it sure is. This is like a little mirror to put in your purse to travel and go. It feels so cute. I love the packaging on this. This is like really cute. Feels really nice. I like this a lot. All right, next we have, it looks like another sponge. I think it's the same packaging as this little diamond right here, but I think it just fell out. But anyhow, this is what the sponge looks like. Oh my God, it feels so good. I'm excited to try this out. Okay, so we got two sponges, a mirror. Let's keep it moving with another baby sponge. Oh my God, I actually have been needing a little baby sponge so I can apply my base to my eyes. Like, I needed a little baby one, so I'm excited. I really want to try that out. Okay. Whoa. Oh my God. Did they know that I like eyelashes? I wonder if they knew that. All right, so they were also kind enough to send me 4 pairs of eyelashes. Wow, I'm impressed. So they do have different style of eyelashes. This is what this one looks like. It looks a little bit natural, but it's long and flared out. Very pretty. This one looks like it is a little bit shorter. It's not as long as the first one, but very nice. These are like little baby eyelashes. So freaking cute. This one's really nice. It's like flared out, so it's like short by the inner corner of the eye, and then it's like longer towards the outside of the eye. So pretty. And this one is a little bit more fuller, and this one looks like it's all about the same length. So cute. I'm excited to try out those sponges and eyelashes because that's what I am about. I love eyelashes. Oh my God, how freaking cute. So we got this package here as well, and this is a 2-in-1 makeup brush. So this is interesting. We're gonna be trying this out as well. And it looks like they also sent this out. This looks like another little diamond as well. Let me pop it open because it has some tape, so let's open this up. Okay guys, so let's pop this open. Oh my God, this is so freaking cute. So it looks like it's a makeup brush, and this is the little cover. This is so cute. It's like a little diamond cover. And this is what the brush looks like. It actually is so soft. The bristles are so nice and soft. They feel so good. So, oh my god, I actually really like this. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. We're gonna move on, and we're gonna be putting all of these items to use. I'm so excited about the eyelashes, the little sponges, and this makeup brush. And I'm assuming this one is a bigger one. I'm sure that the bristles feel just the same as this other one. The bristles feel so good. So we're gonna go ahead and get started and put these items to use. Okay guys, so I am back completely naked. We're just gonna go ahead and jump right into it. So I'm gonna start off by using one of these sponges. Originally, I thought they were the exact same thing other than the color difference because one's nude and one's like a very light baby pink. However, this one right here is actually their air sponge full coverage. Okay, so I went ahead and I wet my sponge. This is what it is looking like now. This is what the pink one looks like. This is the dry one. This is what it looks like once it is wet. It is nice, soft, and squishy. It feels really bouncy. I like the little bottom part, how it feels. So we are just gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna be using my Juvia's Place foundation. Gonna dab this onto my face, and we are gonna be blending it out with our full coverage sponge. So we are now gonna blend out our foundation. I'm actually really liking how it is blending. The sponge is really nice and soft to the touch when you're blending it out onto your face. Okay guys, I think for the most part, my foundation is very well blended. It did a really good job with using the little complexion sponge from the bottom part. I love the little round booty underneath it. It blended out pretty well, and it did give me my full coverage. We're now gonna move on to our concealer, and we're gonna use the top part of the sponge, this right here. I'm gonna be using two concealers today. I'm gonna be using my e.l.f. hydrating concealer, and we're gonna be using the Camel concealer. We're gonna mix both of these together, and we're gonna blend it out now with the top part of the complexion sponge to see how it works out and if it gives us that full coverage. So that's what we are going to be doing next. Okay guys, so here is the first eye. It's completely blended out. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there is like a little sheen that's from the hydrating concealer, but I really like how it blended out all together. I have my mirror down here, but I really like how it blended out all together. Let's go ahead and move on to the next eye, but so far this is what it is looking like. Here's the before and the after once it's blended out. All right guys, so this is what it's looking like all together with using the complexion sponge, using it for my foundation and for my concealer. I think it gave me a really good coverage overall, and the sponge feels really good. It's nice, squishy, soft, and it's super bouncy, and it did double in size. I think it's a really good size, really easy to work with. Really liked this complexion sponge, was the full coverage one. Okay, you're gonna be trying this next item out, and this looks like it's a big fluffy powder brush. I'm assuming, look at these bristles, how soft they are. They're soft and full. I cannot wait to try it onto my face. However, this brush does have a somewhat of a twist. So it's a dual brush, and then it also comes with this little flat brush that you can use as an eyeshadow or a detailer, whatever you want to use it for. So we are gonna screw on the top part of the brush on like so. Look how pretty this brush is. This is very pretty. The handle feels very nice and soft. It's like a really soft matte brush handle, and the brush head is so pretty. I cannot get enough of it. We're gonna go in and we're gonna set our face with some setting powder. I'm just using my Airspun Loose setting powder. So you guys can see I am almost out. But let's go ahead and go in and pick some up. Let me tap the excess out, and we're gonna start stamping this onto our face. Also gonna drag it all the way down. Okay, I think for the most part we covered the majority of our face really fast, because this brush is really nice, soft, and it's really big. so it works in big steps. But for the most part, I think my full face is completely set now with our loose powder. I like how it looks. It looks pretty good. I really like it. I will clean out my shirt once I'm done. But for the most part, it feels really good. The bristles are so nice and soft. They are nice and gentle. It feels so good. I can't get enough of this brush. Okay, I think we're done with the powder brush. Okay guys, so next we're gonna move on to this brush right here. So this brush came with a lid. It was on it, but you can use this lid as a brush stand, or if you're gonna travel, you can protect it by putting it on. I think this brush can be used for whatever you want. I'm gonna use it as a little contour brush, and I'm also gonna use it as a blush brush. So that's what we're gonna do next. We're gonna go in and contour just a little bit to warm up our face and apply blush with this brush as well. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be going in with my Benefit Cheek Star palette. This is like one of my favorite palettes. I'm gonna just be picking up some of the shade named Hula, and we are gonna start to go in and warm up our face. Again, the bristles on this brush is amazing. It feels so good. They're really soft and gentle to the face. They just feel so good. It's the same bristles as the big fluffy powder brush. The quality of their bristles are really good. I actually really like it. Okay, so I think it's picking up the product really nicely, nice and smooth. I think we're good with warming up the face. I'm just gonna pick some more of that shade named Hula and apply some to the temples of my forehead. So just to warm it up a little bit. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I wet my little sponge. This is what it looks like now. It did double in size as well. It's nice, squishy, and soft, and really bouncy, just like the other one. So I am gonna be applying my P. Louise eye base onto my eyelids, and we're gonna be using this little sponge to blend it out. I wanna see how this works, and then we are gonna create an eye look. Okay, so I went ahead and I applied some base, so we're gonna go in with the little sponge and blend it out. Let's see how well this little sponge blends. I think, oh my god, I think for the most part it already covered my full eye. Yeah, the base is pretty blended. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference from this side to this side. This side has nothing, but for the most part, it did cover the majority of my eyelid, and I think we're ready. We're ready to create a look. I actually really like this little baby sponge. Let's prime the other eye, and we're gonna move on to the next step. Okay guys, so this is what I did off camera. I went ahead and I did my eyebrows. I created a look. It's still not complete. I applied some lipsticks. I was feeling really dead, but we're gonna move on to the eyes. I'm gonna take our nice fluffy brush. Since it's a dual brush, we're gonna twist off the top, and now we are left with this little brush here. That's what I'm gonna be going in with. I'm gonna pick up some of this shimmery shade right here with this little brush, and we are gonna apply this to our eyelid. I did apply a coat of base onto my eyelid, but we are gonna go ahead and glide this on. Oh my god, I see how freaking gorgeous it looks. It's just popping. Oh, it looks really pretty. So that's what we are going to be going in with next. This little brush applies the eyeshadow really good. It just glides on and it picks up the pigment very well, very nicely. And I'm just gliding the eyeshadow on and just like dabbing it just a little, because it like really glides on the eyeshadow really well. So that's what I'm gonna be doing next, and I will be doing the same thing onto this eyelid. Okay guys, so before we end this final look, Baseblue was also kind enough to send us some eyelashes. These are the 4 pairs of eyelashes that they sent out. So to complete the look, I think I'm gonna be going in with this style of eyelash. It's really pretty. It's nice and short from the inner corner, and then it like kind of flares out to the outer corners. So I think I'm gonna go in with this one. So that's what we're gonna be applying next. Okay guys, so the look is complete. So I went ahead and I applied a tree pie onto my eyelids. This is the style of eyelash that is on. This is what they look like. I really enjoyed using Baseblue's products. I think they're amazing. The quality is great. So if you guys are interested, go check them out. I will be leaving all of their information down below on the description bar, so go check them out. And I do want to say thank you so much to Baseblue for sending out these items to me and for collaborating with me in today's video. So thank you so much to them. And if you did like this video, guys, please make sure to leave your girl a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye-bye.